Hello everyone, myself Manasa and my team members are Bhavana, Bindu, Divya and Sinchana. In this video, we are going to explain about event managed system. Here is a quick overview of contents what we will be covering today. Introduction, problem statement, system design and architecture, database schema, implementation, sample queries, conclusion and future work. Next, introduction. In colleges, events are an essential part of student life, but managing them manually can be time consuming and error prone. So, we are going to create an EMS to bring everything online from registration to feedback. What is the event managed system? An event managed system is a digital platform to organize and manage student events within an institution. The main aim of this project is to reduce manual work, streamline event organization, and enhance student participation. Next slide will be explained by Bhavana.
Problem statement. Traditional methods of managing students' events involves manual paperwork and spreadsheet or unorganized communications method leading to inefficient missed registrations and difficulty in tracking the participated engage. This project aims to develop digital solutions that simplify the event organizations, enhance students and uh, provides an automatic automate platform for event management. Student need to system to easy registers and participate uh, but in various campus events and activities. Administrations required a platform to manage event, monitor participants, and track event details efficiency. Next slide will be explained, Bindu.
To the system architecture, system design and architecture. In this, we have three layers: presentation layer, business logical layers, and data layers. Coming to the first one, presentation layer. Purpose. This is the user interfaces that student, event organizers, and administrator interact with. Function in event management. Student can view events, register, and submit feedbacks. Organizers can download the events details, managing booking, and track participations. Admins can oversee all the activities, generate reports, and manage system access. Goal is to make it easy for all users to interact with the system through a web portal. Business logical layers. The purpose is the core of the system where all logic and rules are handled. The function in event management of business logical layer is handling user authentications, for example, login and logout security, managing event registration, booking processes, and participant tracking, implements role-based access, ensuring only authorized users perform certain actions. For example, only organizers can upload events. Goal: provide secure and efficient event management workflow. Coming to data layers, purpose: the backend storage of all the system data typically manages with the database. Function in event management is store event details, name, date, location, and description. Maintain student registration records, save feedbacks, reports, and booking history. Technology used is MySQL database is used to keep everything organized and accessible. Coming to the diagram, user, admin, organizer, customer, student access the system. They interact with the business logical layers, green box, to perform the task. All activities are linked to MySQL database which securely store the data. Next will explain by Divya.
To the database schema. Now in the student, which is the fields are the student ID, student name, email, department, contact number, and password, which is stores the student information. And the events, event ID, event name, date and time, venue, organizer, available slot, description, and event type. It stores the event details. Registrations, which is the registration ID, student ID, event ID, registration timestamp, and the status. Tracks the student whoever have the registered, including a timestamp. Feedback. Feedback ID, event ID, student ID, and rating comments, which is the stores the details of the whoever have given the feedback of the students. Admin ID, name, email, role, or a contact number and password, which is stores the admin details. Coming to the diagram, in an admin ID, the primary key is the username, and coming to the customer table, primary key is the username, and event organizer table, username is the primary key, and the bookings, the booking ID is the primary key, and event ID is a foreign key, organizer name is a foreign key, and the customer name is a foreign key. Coming to the event ID is a primary key, and organizer name is a foreign key. Now coming to the implementation. In implementation, it is coming to the front end, HTML, CSS, and the JavaScript. And the React JS is for an interactive and a responsive interfaces. Provides a responsive and a user-friendly user interface. Backend Node.js with the Express.js for API development, ensuring a secure data handling. Handle the API development and secure data management. Hosting deployed on cloud services like AWS, Firebase, or DigitalOcean for scalability. Purpose cloud development and scalability and availability. Authentication JWT based user authentication for security and session management. Hosting deployed on cloud services like AWS, Firebase, or DigitalOcean scalability. Next, further will be continued by Sinchana.
Sample queries. First we have select star from events where it weaves all the events. Select star from registrations, weave all registrations. Select s.name, s means student, e means event, event name from registration R. Join operation is used for the it shows whether the register is for which event, and we have join student s on r dot student id, s dot student id, join events e on r, that is register event id, e event id, weave student registrations.
Here is the code of our project is event management for student activities. For HTML CSS, we have the GMU dashboard. The events we have the application form. We have to enter the name, phone number, email IDs, branch, and location and password. Then the account was created in the in this we have the two events, technical events and gaming events. This is the gaming events. We have some quizzes, just general questions are there.
Coming to the conclusion, the intended event management system applications would make organizing and monitoring college events easier. Lecturers and staff will all benefit from the EMS applications. This application will be simple to use, preventing users to register and pay for event online. application can save effort and minimize risk in handling college events. The application can provide several benefits, including improved communication, real time updates, and attendance tracking. Therefore, developing a EMS application can be a viable solution to manage college activities efficiently and effectively. Conclusion states that the event management system, that is EMS application, aims to simplify organizing and monitoring the college events that has to be conducted. It allows the students, lecturers, and the staffs to register and can pay online, improving communication, providing real-time updates, and tracking attendances. EMS offers an efficient and effective solutions for to manage the college activities. Next, coming to the future work, we can add printer in the future, and we can give more advanced software for event management system, including more facilities. We will host the platform on online servers to make it accessible worldwide, create the master and slave database structure to reduce the overload of the database queries. Thank you.